Household chores seem like an endless routine, and sometimes it's hard to find the time or the energy to do them. And that's why a vacuum mop was invented. It's a valuable tool for cleaning and sanitizing your house. It saves time and energy. With so many various vacuum mops out on the market, trying to find the right one can be a challenge. But our research team has gone ahead and done the work to find out which ones are the best vacuum mops out there. So let's begin. At number 1 is the Shark Vac Mop Pro Cordless Hard Floor Vacuum Mop with Disposable Vac Mop Pad. This is an excellent product to help satisfy your standards of cleanliness. It is one of the more powerful and effective ones out there, as it provides powerful suction and spray mopping and includes a headlight and magnetic charger. These impressive features bring forth excellent output and will satisfy your standards. This multi-surface hard floor cleaner is great for getting all the dust in the corners of rooms and random dirt. It can also pick up little crumbs. If you have pets at home like cats or dogs, it's great in picking up even the tiniest hair clusters that gather in corners. It's a complete clean all pan because of its powerful suction combined with the spray mop. After vacuuming, you can use the spray mop to clean stuck-on grime, leaving your floors shiny and clean. The cordless mop is not heavy, it's super lightweight at just 3.5 pounds, which is easy to maneuver around your house. The handle can fold so it doesn't take up a ton of space. It's also easy to assemble too, simply snap the parts together. It comes with a magnetic charger so it's easy to charge its lithium-ion battery. The powerful LED headlights will impress you as well. It's an excellent way to reveal hidden debris around your home. The light illuminates well so you can see every speck of dirt. There's no filter or maintenance required since the pad is replaceable, and changing the cleaning pad is super easy. At number 2 is the Shark Vac Mop Pro Starter Kit Cordless Vacuum Mop for Hardwood Floors. The Pro Starter Kit has dimensions of 5 by 9.5 by 47 inches, and the cleaning pad is just under 10 inches. It comes with everything you need to clean, with 2 disposable pads, a 12-ounce bottle of Vac Mop multi-surface floor cleaner, and 20 disposable pads. This mop is great to clean even the most impossible, stubborn grease stains or smudges at home. The Pro Starter Kit cordless mop is also super lightweight, just over 3 pounds. It's easy to maneuver around your house, and with the foldable handle, it won't take up a lot of space. It's also no sweat to assemble. It comes with a magnetic charger so it's easy to charge. The impressive, powerful LED headlights will reveal hidden debris around your home. There's also no filter or maintenance required thanks to the replaceable pads, which are easy to change. The robust hardwood floor cleaner works great at getting up all the dust in the corners and any random dirt. It's also perfect if you're a pet owner because it picks up even the tiniest hairs that gather in corners. After vacuuming, use the spray mopping feature to clean any stuck-on grime and leave your floors nice and shiny. Indeed, it's the perfect partner in maintaining the cleanliness of your home. This multi-cleaner does a great job in sanitizing your floors as well. It provides an excellent job at an affordable price, so take advantage while supplies are available. What did you think of our first 2 products? Well, we still have more to go, but before we continue, if you're not yet part of our community, please subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to tap the bell icon to get instant notifications when we upload a new review. And now, back to our list. At number 3 is the Shark Steam Mop. If you prefer not using chemicals to get rid of dirt and grime around your house, or you're worried it may be harmful for your pets, then this is the perfect option, using the power of steam. You don't have to exert any more effort to scrub or mop the floor. It cleans and sanitizes your space using only water and no chemicals. The steam quickly cuts through stuck-on grease, and it helps keep your floor clean with no residue. The on-demand steam is ready within 30 seconds. You can pump until you get the amount of steam you need, and it takes only a few passes to get a good buildup. This product gets excellent customer reviews, and it's also lightweight and easy to maneuver. It'll get under beds as well as those hard-to-reach areas quickly. In addition to being compact, it can stand up on its own, making it easy to store. As a result, it doesn't require so much space for storage. It also is easy to refill and has an XL removable water tank. At number 4 is the Shark Genius Steam Pocket Mop System. This product is proud to present the most advanced floor cleaning system possible. It combines both steam and a spray pocket mop with a solution for all cleaning needs. Definitely a genius design. The impressive tool harnesses the power of steam to sanitize, and the mist does not only let you achieve a clean, sealed hardwood floor, but it also works on marble, stone, and laminate. It'll enable you to remove 99.9% of common household bacteria without leaving behind any chemical residue. The mop's blaster attack steam technology is great on tough, stuck-on messes and quickly loosens debris from grout, crevices, and corners. This mop is impressive and practical and great for those quick, easy cleanups of everyday spills and messes. It also comes with hard floor cleaner and a bottle clip that's ready to grab and go once it's filled with the hard floor cleaner. It clips easily into the mop handle. The dirt grip pads are specially designed and woven throughout to lift and lock the dirt in and deliver an outstanding clean with fast drying time. This innovative mop is also a touch-free technology. You don't have to wring out the mop or wrestle with any dirty pads. Instead, enjoy hands-free after a thorough cleaning with just the press of a button. The pads are also machine washable and dual-sided, guaranteed to clean and lift away the dirt for a spotless floor. It's a great partner for cleaning. We're now down to our final product, but before we continue, if there's anything you'd like to see us review in the future, just let us know in the comments section, as well as any comments or suggestions you might have for us. And now let's check out our final product. At number 5 is the Shark LiftAway Pro Steam Pocket Mop. This unique mop is known for its versatility and cleaning efficiency. The Shark LiftAway Pro Steam will blast all those hard smudges and dirt to leave your floors sparkling clean. The steam also sanitizes from household bacteria. The product's dimensions are 9 by 12 by 47 inches. It weighs 7 pounds and has a cleaning path of 12 inches. Now the power of brilliant cleaning right at your fingertips. It's also impressive next-generation features like 3-setting intelligent steam control, an Intella mop head with steam blaster technology, touch-free technology, and a steam direct channel that makes quick cleanup easy and outstanding. The Dirt Grip technology feature is designed strips of gripping material woven throughout the pad to lift and lock the dirt in, so it won't leave any residue on your floors. It also has a portable handle steamer to help clean above the floor like countertops or curtains. After cleaning, you don't need to touch the dirty pads. This mop is hands-free. When you're done, just press the button and release the used pads straight into the hamper. It's great on all types of hard floors like marble, stone, laminate, or hardwood. Now your cleaning test can be done in minutes instead of hours. The floor dries quickly and there's no streaks left behind. It cleans up in a breeze with the handheld feature, leaving grout on the tiles as clean as possible. The all-in-one sparkle up the house product is great to use, lightweight, and easy to store. And there you have it, our review of the top 5 best vacuum mops out on the market. If you're ready to buy yours now, check out the links in the description box below. If you have a product in mind you'd like to see us review in the future, just let us know in the comments section and our team will get to work to give you the best review possible. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon to be notified of our latest videos. That's all for today. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time right here at the ReviewTube channel.